Jaipur is being organized at a very good place, and the benefit of this meeting is pertaining to the research and study in diabetes and the awareness about the research what is happening in diabetes in Indian scenario. Myself, Dr. Jay Chavadia, I am consultant endocrinologist at Udaipur, Rajasthan, and I take this privilege on the behalf of RSSDI and Torrent Pharma that they have taken a very good initiative pertaining to diabetes awareness. So, we all know that India is definitely a diabetes capital of world. We are just somewhat behind China, and despite doing everything, awareness, treatment part, everything, lifestyle modification, we are seeing more cases of diabetes day by day, especially in the younger population. So, how can we prevent? So, the research part of diabetes evolves on that part only, because today in this metabolic scenario, in this metabolic syndrome scenario, rather it is very bad to see diabetes coming at a very younger age, where it is economically also hard to tackle. And why this is aggravating? It may be because of the stress, the work-life imbalance. It may be because of the genetics involved. Being an Indian phenotypic Asian people, we are more prone for cardiovascular disorders and metabolic disorders like diabetes. So, the message for this meeting rather, or the meeting part is that if we want to treat diabetes, that's a good thing, because we have to treat our patients in a proper manner to make them understand that what is the importance of diet and lifestyle, what is the importance of adherence to medication, adherence to treatment. But other than that, prevention should always come first. It's always a very good quote to be taken that prevention is always better than cure. So, a few words about prevention of diabetes. If you have a risk of diabetes, say your parents are having diabetes, you are obese, you are having some part of metabolic syndrome, or you are lethargic, you are sitting continuously in your job, stress is more. So, these are certain aggravating factors which may hint you that you are at risk for diabetes. So, as soon as some hint factor comes that you are at risk for diabetes, the first and the foremost is go for a vigorous diet and exercise schedule. 40 to 45 minutes of walk a day would be sufficient, 5 days in a week. So, you can take a weekend break, followed by a good amount of diet control, very much important in Indian scenario, because we have north, east, west and south with all different meals, and it is very difficult to titrate a meal or set a meal because of the feast, the festivals, the seasons, the meetings being arranged in Indian scenario. But if you are adherent to your diet and lifestyle, so mind it, like we need both legs for our walking, the diet and lifestyle part makes the very important legs of the diabetic management. Other than that, the adherence to treatment, if your doctor is saying you take insulin, it is always safe, because doctor wants the patient to be safe. So, insulin, which is a big phobia, and it is very important to say that from 1921 when it was discovered by Benting and Best, after 2 years it will be a centenary year for insulin. Insulin has saved hundreds of lives. So, a molecule which saves lives will never give you harm. So, this is a basic message that whatever phobia, very important from the research part also, very important from all the diabetic organization also, to just give a public awareness, the awareness to doctors, the awareness to people, the awareness to civilians of India, that if you are at a point of time in the diabetic management needing insulin, you should start insulin. If your doctor is saying, kindly don't make excuses that no, insulin is this, insulin is bad, insulin is this. Don't educate the doctor, rather doctor will educate you that insulin will always give you benefits. And today in this world of molecular genetics, we have good amount of newer good techniques of insulin injections, painless injections, and we have rather insulin pumps also to the affordable group of patients. So, the technology is helping us for the management of one form of treatment, that is an injectable options of insulin. Other than that, we have very good oral hypoglycemic agents, we have very good drug armamentarium in our management part, and I think that if you adhere to those drugs also, very much important, it is not always that every patient will need insulin, despite being that diabetes is a progressive disorder. So, if you are adherent to your diet part, if you are adherent to your lifestyle part, if you are adherent to the medications what are being prescribed to you, or you are regularly checking according to the doctor's advice your blood glucose, every yearly you go for a complication screening, any of us safe, we are happy. So, on this behalf, I take this opportunity to say that diabetes might be a killer disorder, but it only kills when you are non-adherent. Otherwise, a patient who is adherent, probably 99% he will be safe from all the end organ complications of diabetes. A word, despite being a diabetic meeting, a word about a thyroid also, because other than diabetes, what endocrinologists we see, thyroid is also exaggerating a lot. It's coming in a huge amount, whether it is a lesser functioning of thyroid or whether it is a hyper functioning of thyroid. So these two disorders, that means diabetes and thyroid, needs a very important need of care, treatment, and in a proper hand. We being doctors are always in favor of treatment in a proper manner, in a good manner, and we suggest our patients also, and we need from our patients also adherence to the treatment. One last word about pregnancy and diabetes, pregnancy and thyroid. Pregnancy is a condition when you are giving birth to a newborn. So we don't want that you should be complicated by certain scenarios like gestation diabetes. So all females or all doctors who are listening to this should be adherent and should be vigilant whenever a pregnant female walks in your OPD. Always get a blood sugar tested so that we can't miss, or we should not miss rather, any case of gestation diabetes. Should go for a proper OGTT testing and also the thyroid screening, and it gives a very beautiful result if you go for a good screening and complication coverage in pregnancy also. Thank you very much.
Insights from the world's best medical minds. You are watching therightdoctors.com.